You're probably not finding the matrix cofactors for just a bunch of lols. You're probably finding the inverse of a matrix or some other reason, but you'll kind of need to do this to find out what that is. So this is the matrix that we're going to find the cofactors of, and you can see that each position in the, or point in the matrix, is mapped to M11, M12, M13, and so on. And then obviously, whenever we're looking at breaking down matrices, each position once pulled out is positive or negative. So we first want to find out what the M11 determinant is, or M11. I should not say M11. I did not mean that. So you're going to have M11, which is going to be the determinant. And if you think about it, we're going to now go across here and across here, and that's going to be -1, 2, 1, 3. So that's going to be -1, 2, 1, -3. So that's going to be, what, 3 minus 2, which is 1. And then M12 is going to be the determiner, so that's this one here. So obviously we then put this across and this here. So you're going to get 3, 2, 4, -3. That's going to be -9 minus 8, which is -17. However, this is a negative position, so this -17 would actually go to 17. I'll do one more. I'm not going to bore you by doing all 9. So that's obviously M13, which is this position. That's ruled out. That's ruled out. We're just looking at these 4 numbers. So that's going to be 3 minus 1, 4, 1. When you find out the determinant of a 2 by 2, you multiply them across, minus these 2 multiplied across. So you're now going to get 3 plus 4, which equals 7. That's in the positive position, so therefore it stays positive. We don't flip or change any signs. I'm now going to just quickly do in my head the rest. So M21 is going to be 2. M22 is -8. M23 is obviously 0. M31 is 1. M32 is -11. And M33, that's a -7. So now you take all of these numbers and then you put them into a matrix. You're going to have 1, 17, 7, 2 minus 8, 0, 1 minus 11, -7. So the matrix of cofactors is this. Simple.